Is your Hisense TV screen completely black even though you can hear sound in the background? Don't worry, because we are going to fix that display right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. A black screen usually happens when the backlight fails to ignite, the system software crashes, or there is a major handshake error with your HDMI 2.1 devices. Let's get your picture back with these 10 advanced hardware solutions. Step 1. Perform a deep power reset. Unplug your Hisense TV from the wall and wait for a full 60 seconds. While it is unplugged, hold the physical power button on the TV frame for 30 seconds to drain all residual energy from the capacitors. Step 2. The flashlight test. Turn the TV on and shine a bright flashlight directly against the glass. The flashlight test. Turn the TV on and shine a bright flashlight directly against the glass. If you can see faint images or the Hisense logo, your screen is working but the backlight strips have a hardware failure. Step 3. Reseat your HDMI 2.1 cables. Unplug every cable from the back of the TV and plug them back in firmly. A loose connection can often cause the video driver to stop sending a signal to the panel. Step 4. Use the hardware reset pinhole. Locate the small button labeled Reset on the back or side of the TV. Use a paper clip to hold it down for 15 seconds while the TV is plugged in to force a factory reboot. Step 5. Disable the energy saving mode. If your screen is black but the standby light is on, your TV might be stuck in a deep eco sleep. Use your remote to navigate the blind menu or use the physical buttons to reset the picture mode. Step 6. Check the power supply voltage. Plug your TV directly into a wall outlet rather than a surge protector. A failing power strip might not provide enough juice to trigger the LED backlight drivers. Step 7. The remote button sequence reset. On your Hisense remote, press the home button 5 times, followed by up once, rewind twice, and fast forward twice. This hidden command forces a system-level restart. Step 8. Disconnect all 2.4 GHz wireless dongles. Unplug any wireless keyboards or mice. Sometimes these USB devices cause a boot-up conflict that prevents the screen driver from initializing. Step 9. Update the firmware via a USB drive. Update the firmware via a USB drive. If your software is corrupted, download the latest Hisense firmware on a computer and save it to a FAT32 drive. Plug it into the TV and hold the power button to start a manual recovery. Step 10. Inspect the LVDS ribbon cable. If you are comfortable opening the back panel, ensure the wide ribbon cable connecting the main board to the screen is seated tightly. A slight wiggle here can cause a total black screen. Here is a pro tip for you. If you have sound but no picture, try pressing the mute button on your Hisense remote 3 times. On some models, this toggles the screen off mode, which is meant for listening to music without the display. If you are facing any difficulty with these steps, leave a comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you get it fixed. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more fast tech solutions. Your Hisense TV will be looking brand new in no time.